Okay, and we're back. Question number 7. Trying to find a slope between this line. They give you 2 points. If they don't give you 2 points, just choose 2 points on the line and count the boxes. Go from left all the way down to right. How do you get from point A to point B? It's going to be difference of y over difference of x. But in this case, you can just count up and right. So first part, top number is how many times it goes up or down. Right, in this case, it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 4 is a positive 4. And let's see if it goes left or right. It goes right. So how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 spaces to the right is a positive 8. Okay. Just remember, up is positive, down is negative. Right is positive and left is negative. Okay, in this case, it's going up 4, positive 4, right 8. So therefore, it's positive 8. You can reduce this fraction. 4 over 8 is the same as 1 over 2. Therefore, that's your answer, positive 1/2. Okay, slope is 1 over 2. Another way to solve this question is actually take the coordinates of the point. This one over here, the coordinate of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Right? That's 5, 8. This one over here is 1, 2, 3, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Take these two coordinates, subtract the y values from the y, so it's 8 minus 4. And subtract the x values, 5 minus negative 3. So 5 minus negative 3. Okay. And you get 4 over 2 minus this becomes a plus 8, and you get the same answer. Let's go down. Question number 8. Which equation shows that the correct trig ratio for angle A, which is over here, this angle over here, angle A, the triangle below? Well, you need to know your SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. SOH stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. K stands for cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA means tan equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, angle A is over here. Therefore, the angle opposite of A, furthest away, that's going to be the opposite, which is 8. Hypotenuse is always along the side. Therefore, hypotenuse is 17. And adjacent is the side that's touching angle A, but is not the hypotenuse. There you go. Those are your 3 sides. Let's see which one's correct. Let's see. Well, let's check number 1. Sine of A is equal to 15 over 17. Well, sine of A should be 8 over 17. Well, that's wrong. Number 2, tangent of A. Tangent should be opposite, which is 8. That's correct. Over 17. No, it should be over 15. Therefore, this is wrong. And number 3, cosine of A is 15 over 17. And this is your correct answer. Okay? Cosine of A is equal to the adjacent side, which is 15 over the hypotenuse, 17. 15 over 17. Choice 3 is your correct answer. Let's move on. Okay, let's see which part Debbie did incorrectly. First you want to do is D. Put the 2 over to the other side. Okay, so we have the equation here. This is correct so far. Debbie decides to put 2 on both sides. Okay, and that's correct. The next part, she gets rid of the parentheses by using the distributive property. In this case, 3x is correct, but the 4 is incorrect. You need to distribute the 3 into the 4 also. 3 times 4 should be 3x plus 12 equals 18. Okay? So the error occurs between line 2 and 3. Okay? So that is choice 2. That's where the mistake happens. Number 10. Okay, take a second, read this question. Okay, we're looking for the absolute value here. Let's plug in what a is equal to. 7, b is equal to negative 3. So we have 7 minus negative 3. Okay, and 2 minuses becomes a plus, so it's 7 plus 3. Okay, that's equivalent to negative absolute value of 10. Absolute value of 10 is 10. So it'd be negative 10, okay? All right, anytime you feel I'm going too fast, don't forget the pause button. You can rewind and watch it again, or comment below and I'll try to answer your question as best as I can. Okay. Let's express this fraction in simplest form. You'll need to factor top part. Okay. Between the top part, let's see what they have in common. 12x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x over 2x. Well, you can factor the top part. See that 2x is in common between all 3 parts of the trinomial. So is factor out the 2x, you get 6x squared minus 3x plus 1, okay, over 2x. And after you get this part, you can actually cancel or cross out the 2x over 2x because that's equivalent to 1, and your answer is just that part on the top here. Okay, so 6x minus 3x plus 1, choice 3. Number 12, which order pair is a solution of the systems of equations shown in the graph below? Well, anytime you're looking for a solution between 2 different lines or graphs, you look for the point of intersection. Where the 2 points intersect, that's where the solution is going to be. So let's see where. Well, between this linear line and this parabola, we have 1 point over here that touches. Also another point over here. Okay. So if you see any of these points below, that'll be the answer. Okay. Let's see what the coordinate of this point is on the left. 1, 2, 3. It's negative 3. 1, 2, 3. 5. So it's negative 3. 5 is 1 point. And the other one is 1 comma negative 3. Okay, I don't see 1 comma negative 3 down there, but negative 3, 5 is choice 2, and that'll be my solution.